high meat demand in China forces global meat prices to go up. And while this is bad news for consumers, the DA says more expensive imported supply means opportunities for local hog producers. Shyla Francisco has this report.
Charo buys pork products twice a week for her restaurant in Quezon City. She prefers cheaper imported pork. While local and imported pork chop are both priced at 220 pesos per kilo, local pork belly is 15 pesos more expensive than imported ones.
Kasi I think reasonable price naman siya and malinis. Tapos tsaka maganda yung niya. Okay yung taste ng niya, meat. Mas gusto ko syempre yung cheaper price. The cheaper the better para kumbaga hindi rin affected yung mga customer ko sa presyo namin. Kasi di ba ganun, pag tumaas ang price ang kinukuhanan mo, magtataas ka rin ng konti dun sa mga kliyente mo.
But local pork prices are bound to go up, with suppliers now charging retailers 2 pesos higher compared to last week. Retailers say they will be forced to pass this on to consumers if prices continue to increase by up to 5 pesos.
Malaki na po ang epekto sa amin yun. Talagang ramdam na rin namin yung noon.
Magkano itataas?
Mga 10. Halimbawa, 220 ngayon, magto-230 po yun.
Even prices of imported pork products are seen to rise 3 months from now. The Meat Importers and Traders Association, or MITA, says global prices are now increasing due to higher demand from China. The country's supply was significantly affected by the African swine fever. Because of this, other meat products will also be hit.
Prices keep going up. The Chinese government is buying a lot of pork to stockpile. Global implications are quite huge. Because as I said earlier, the total available global pork supply cannot satisfy the demand of China. So already we see the price of beef and lamb have gone up. The price of chicken have gone up because the consumption has shifted to other meat.
Because of the increase in prices of imported meat products, their volume is expected to decrease, an opportunity the Department of Agriculture says for local hog producers to sell their goods.
That's good for us because then our local producers will be able to compete. Ang limiting factor lang naman sa productivity ng ating mga local farmers would be the price in the market. If the price is good, they will produce more.
The DA is now considering exporting pork to China to help stabilize prices and supply. Shyla Francisco, VR1 News.